Here's a 2010 Kia Forte. This Forte raises your expectations of what a compact sedan should be. It has a spacious interior, lots of amenities, and a lovable style. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and I4 engine. This from Car and Driver. With the smaller engine and the automatic gearbox, the Forte didn't invite aggressive driving, but that's all the better to enjoy the spacious and well-appointed interior and airy greenhouse. The ride is relatively supple, and the car welcomes simply sliding it into drive and cruising. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Take it for a test drive today.
One stop, family shop.